Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do question number 7 of exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Here find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3. So let us assume that center of the circle is O and it is 2 minus 3. And point B, let AB be the diameter of the circle, and we know that diameter of circle passes through the center. And here coordinates of B are 1 and 4. Let us assume that coordinates of A as x, y. As we know that here we have to write a property. We know that center of a circle is midpoint of its diameter. So therefore here O is midpoint of AB. So by midpoint formula we can write x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, and this gives you x is equal to 4 minus 1 and we get x is equal to 3. Similarly, y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3 and we get y plus 4 is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to minus 10. And we are asked to find the coordinates of A. Hence, the coordinates of point A are 3 and minus 10. Next, question number 8. In question 8, AB are respectively the coordinates. Here A and B are the coordinates of 2 points, and coordinates are minus 2, 2, 2 and minus 4. And there is a point P on AB such that it is given that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. And we have to find the coordinates of the point T. Let us assume that its coordinates are x, y. So to apply section formula we must have the ratio of AP and BP का ratio हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. But here AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB given है. So first of all we have to find what is BP. So out of 7, if AP is having 3 parts, so it means out of 7 parts BP will be having 4 parts. So AP ratio BP will be 3 ratio 4. This is the most important point of this question. First of all, we have to find the ratio between AP and BP. Then we will start the question. Here ratio is not 3 ratio 7. It will be 3 ratio 4. So by section formula, now we can find the coordinates of point P. So by section formula, x is equal to m1 x2 3 into 2 plus m2 x1 4 into minus 2 by 3 plus 4, and we get x is equal to 6 minus 8 by 7 and it will be minus 2 by 7. Similarly, ordinate will be 3 into minus 4, it will be minus 12. 4 into minus 2, it will be minus 8 by 3 plus 4 and we get minus 20 by 7. So coordinates of P are, or you can say, so point P is minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7. Important point of this question is to find the ratio. exact ratio को find करना है. जो question में given है वो AP एक part है and AB complete length है and we must know the ratio of the parts of AB. Next question. In question number 9, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A and B into 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स. मीनिंग आपको उन पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को फाइंड करना है जो आपकी लेंथ ए बी को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करे. तो इट मीन्स व्हेन 4 पार्ट्स आर इक्वल, तो इट मीन्स वी नीड 3 पॉइंट्स ऑन ए बी. एक गिवन लेंथ पर 3 पॉइंट्स जो हैं दे डिवाइड दैट लाइन सेगमेंट इनटू 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स एंड लेट दीज पॉइंट्स बी सी, डी and E. Let coordinates of these points be, or you can directly find them without writing x1, y1. See here, first of all we will divide AB into 2 equal parts. So here point D divides AB into 2 equal parts. So point coordinates of point D are given by the midpoint of AB. So we will write here C, D and E divide AB into 4 equal parts, or you can say therefore AC is equal to CD is equal to DE is equal to EB. So D is midpoint of AB. Therefore coordinates of D are, to write the coordinates of D we must have coordinates of A and B. Here abscissa will be minus 2 plus 2 by 2 and ordinate will be 2 plus 8 by 2. So point D will be, this will be 0, 5. So 0, 5 are the coordinates of point D. Now you can see that C is midpoint of AD. C is midpoint of AD. Therefore point D will be, C minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and 2 plus 5 by 2. And that is equal to minus 2 plus 0 minus 2 divided by 2, that will be minus 1 and it will be 7 by 2. So coordinates of point C are minus 1 and 7 by 2. Similarly, you can see in figure E is midpoint of DB. So therefore E will be 0 plus 2 by 2 and 5 plus 8 by 2 and it will be 1 and 13 by 2. So these are the coordinates of the third point. So you can say required points are, C के coordinates जो हैं they are minus 1, 7 by 2 and D 0, 5 and point E is 1 and 13 by 2. So this is the answer of your question. Next question number 10. Question 10. Find the area of rhombus if its vertices are. Now we have to draw the figure of a rhombus and its vertices are given. Let us name its vertices as A, B, C and D. Now coordinates of point A are 3, 0 and coordinates of B are 4, 5. Coordinates of C are 1, -1 and 4 and -2 and -1 taken in order, and we have to find the area of this rhombus. For this, first of all, we will join its diagonals, and here area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into d1. d1 means diagonal 1 into d2 meaning diagonal 2. So here area will be, here diagonal 1 is AC and diagonal 2 is BD. So it means to find the area of this rhombus, we have to find the length of its diagonals. So by distance formula, we can find the lengths by using distance formula. AC is equal to AC minus 1 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 0 square under the root, and we get minus 4 square plus 4 square, and it will be 16 plus 16, and 16 plus 16 can be written as 4 root 2. Similarly, diagonal BD will be equal to BD minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 1 minus 5 square, and it will be minus 6 square 36, and it will again minus 6 36. So 36 plus 36 can be written as 6 root 2. Now we are having the length of the both of the diagonals, so we can find the area. Area will be 1 by 2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2. Now this 2 will cancel and we get 24 square units. So this is the area of the rhombus. Students, exercise 7.3 is deducted from your syllabus this year. So no need to do exercise 7.3. And from optional exercise 7.2, you can do related questions to section formula and to distance formula. One more topic is there in this chapter, that is coordinates of centroid of triangle. Before that, we must know what is the centroid. Remember, centroid is the point of intersection of all three medians of a triangle. And you already know what is the median. Median is a line segment which joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. So here I am going to draw the figure of a triangle. Let its vertices be A, B and C, and coordinates of A are x1, y1. Coordinates of B are x2, y2, and coordinates of third vertex are x3, y3. Now first of all, we have to plot centroid in this triangle. Let D be the midpoint of BC. Join A to D. This is the first median of the triangle. Again mark the midpoint of another two sides and join them. So BE is the second median of the triangle and CF is the third median of the triangle. And common point of intersection of these three medians is this one, and let this point is G. So here G is known as centroid. How to find the coordinates of this point? So coordinates of G are given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and its ordinate will be given as y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. And also remember, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So in given figure AG रेशो GD वर्टेक्स की साइड से 2 रेशो होगा 2:1. Similarly BG ratio GE will be 2:1 and CG ratio GF is also 2:1. This is also important topic and there may be a question based on this topic in your exam. Here your chapter 7 is completed, students. Thank you.